Hello guys, welcome to ATA Module 10 Pass by Reference. So you will be trying out Pass by Reference. You will be updating a bank account object that is passed into the method in a Taylor class you will be implementing. Recall that when you pass an object into a method, you are actually passing a reference to the object. So it has a bank account created for us in this part. Resource, and then source main Java com VTA, and then account, right? They created the bank account class. It has two variable, string owner and big decimal balance, and then it has its constructor. Bank account constructor has a string owner and big decimal balance, and then it has a deposit method. Argument is big decimal amount, and balance equal to balance dot add amount, and it has a withdraw method, big decimal amount, and you can also see in the UML diagram here, it has a withdrawal big decimal method, and it has a big decimal get balance right here. It's a method and it's a public, and public means the green block, and admin method and get balance, big decimal, so big decimal get balance, return this get balance, and then white set owner, so set owner it has a string owner, and it is a public method, and it's a string get owner, and then return owner, right? And then public string, there is a two string method and return string format. We have this is name. Person admin name has a balance of dollar and person point to decimal f comma values. We have a two variable owner and balance. Okay. This is what they give to us, and we have to work on the Java class. So step 1. Okay, a teller needs to be able to deposit money into a bank account. So the first method will be to deposit money. Implement the logic for depositing money, right? Okay, so we have a public class teller, and then we have a public y deposit money. It has a two argument, bank account and the amount. So on line 15, we will implement our logic. So let's use the bank account object deposit method to deposit the amount into the bank account. So bank account object, right? We have a bank account in other right here on the left side, right here, bank account object. So if they use the bank account object deposit method to deposit the amount, and so it's simple. Bank account dot deposit method always have a parentheses. So for deposits, you can just type like this. Okay, bank account dot deposit method should be like this, and then you can go back and check like what about the deposit method, right? So right here, our deposit method have a argument amount. That's why we put the argument amount right here. And semicolon and the close curly bracket. After that, we're gonna run the step 1. So that's step 2. Okay, implement the logic for withdrawing money in the withdraw money method. So we have a public wide withdraw money method. It has a same thing, two argument bank account and the with decimal amount. So use the bank account object and withdraw method to withdraw the amount from the bank account. So bank account dot withdraw amount. Same thing. The withdraw method have a argument amount right here on the bank account class. Withdraw method has a big decimal amount, means argument amount. So that's how you call it. That's how you call the object. So bank account dot withdraw amount. We call this method withdraw method. And then run step 2 and step 3. Implement the logic for updating the owner in the update owner method. So use the bank account object set owner method to update the bank account owner to new owner. So same thing, bank account dot set owner, we have an argument owner, but this time we want to update the owner. So we put, instead of owner here, we put new owner, okay? And then we're gonna run step 3, and then last one is step 4. We have a public wide do transaction and full argument bank account deposit amount withdraw money and new owner, right? Now that we have some basic method, let's implement the final method that will call all those other methods to show present by reference in action. The final method do transaction and other comment, right? Okay, optional call system.outprint line on the bank account object to see initial value. This is option, but it's good to know the initial value, initial money, like the bank account has maybe $0 or 1,000 or whichever, $10,000. So we're gonna call system outprint line bank account first, and then call the deposit money method, right? Or how to call deposit money method is easy. We have a method called deposit money, and it has a two lesson in argument, bank account and the deposit amount. So deposit money calling method is simple. Deposit money and parentheses. Inside that we have a two argument, person in bank account and deposit amount. And semicolon. After that, system outprint line on the bank account object to see value after the deposit. Okay, now we deposit the amount. We have a 10K and we deposit the amount $1,000 and see how much total we have, and then withdraw money method. So it's gonna be 11K right after deposit, and we're gonna withdraw the money. So withdraw method, same thing. Withdraw money is the method name. Withdraw money. So withdraw money, and it has a two argument bank account and withdraw amount, same thing. And then after withdrawing the amount, we're gonna print out the value after withdrawal. So system print out line bank account. So we're gonna withdraw $2,000, right? Initially we have a 10K here, and then we're gonna deposit $1,000. After that, our bank account is $11,000, and then we're gonna withdraw the 2,000, and our bank account now have a $9,000 and 9K, right? And we're gonna update the owner name, and then that owner have a $9,000 in her account. That's what it means. So, and after that, after withdraw the amount, we're gonna print out the bank account amount and call the update owner method. Passing in the bank account and new owner. So update owner, the method have a bank account and new owner argument, and semicolon system print out bank account. So the main method has a public static void main string argument. It's the main method has been provided in the Taylor class, right? So we're gonna just see it here. Taylor equal to new Taylor and big decimal balance, new big decimal. This is the initial amount. We have 10K. And bank account, new bank account, John. John has a balance of 10K and deposit amount is 1,000. So it's gonna be 11K. And withdrawal amount, new big decimal, 2,000. So it's gonna be 9,000. And the new owner is Anna. So Anna now has a $9,000. Teller dot do transaction. We're gonna call the do transaction method on the Taylor class. So bank account, deposit amount, withdraw amount, and the new owner. So that is for this module, and it has we use the big decimal. That's why we have to input Java dot math dot big decimal here. And I think that will be it. I'm gonna just delete those. Thank see. Okay, save your successful. Then just run it to see the balance. So it has here the output. John has a balance of $10,000. Um, John has a balance of 11K, and John has a balance of $9,000, and now Anna has a balance of 9,000, and it's all successful. That will be it, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.